Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. I hope you're exceedingly well. In this video, I'm going to talk about my trade setups and the trades that I've taken today with Balancer or Bell USDT, give you some technical analysis, show you the levels that I'm trading, the value areas. So if you don't know, the World Series of Trading is going on BYBIT, and I think you can still register today. And if you haven't checked it out, there's some awesome prizes to be won. And if you haven't opened an account with an exchange or with BYBIT, please use my links in description on my YouTube video because it goes to supporting the channel. Let's get into the technical analysis. As you can see here, we've got a trend line coming all the way from that $4.69 area going up, and we had a rejection up at that $5.38 area. And as you can see, we've got a range value area high. If I put in my fixed range, you can see exactly. As we came down into this $6.27 range, you can see I pulled my fixed range from there, value area high at $5.29, point of control $4.69, and our value area low at $4.32. And I actually took a short here this morning because I saw this huge rejection candle over here. And that normally means that there's a lot of sellers coming in at that range value area high. And generally for me, I want to be shorting at a range value area high and longing at a value area low. You don't normally want to get in at a range POC unless you see some kind of bullishness in the market. So when I saw price coming to this point, I put on my levels and I saw that we were kind of above a daily level and wicked above this range value area high. Also pulled a fib from, if I remember correctly, let me just pull it from, no, I think it was actually higher up. But if you pull a fib right down from kind of the swing high, you can see we've got a reversal area right in the area of that daily level, right in the area of this trend line here, right in the area of that second trend line. So I took the short, and here you can see I actually posted my short trade, got in at $5.22, and I exited at $5.95 because I thought that there was a reversal taking place. And it does look like it at the moment. So my re-entry was at $4.92. And I'll show you right here. Yeah, $4.92, very small position size. I've already taken profits, nice profits for the day, so I really don't need to risk much on this trade. I'll probably actually put a stop close to entry as soon as the price is possibly retraced above this $4.98 and that $5 area. So as you can see with our imbalance chart, at the moment we've got some positive delta going in, and volume kind of is tapering off, so we could have a change in direction of the trades. Looking at our open interest, when I looked just now, it was looking very positive, and let's see if it's still looking in that direction. As you can see here, these are the buy and sell volume on Coinalyze, and our cumulative delta has just crossed over the zero area, which is a good sign. And hopefully we can get some volume coming in that will push the price up a little bit further. As you can see, our open interest is increasing as our price is increasing. This is a bullish sign. As long as price keeps on increasing and volume increases and our open interest increases, that is a good sign. As you can see, our aggregated predicted funding rate is showing that we have more longs opening. An aggregated funding rate is an accumulation of all the exchanges. And sometimes if that rate of longs increases, the big traders sometimes counter trade that. So you've got to be careful of it possibly dumping lower down. So looking at levels lower down, right at this range POC, we've got a weekly level at $4.65. We've got a level all the way down to $4.36 and a value area low. So I'm possibly looking to hold this trade back up to the value area high. Obviously, the New York markets are opening in about 3 hours time, New York should start waking up in an hour or so. So we should see some volume coming in within the next hour, 2 to 3 hours. So I'm hoping as the volume comes in, you can see here we had a very big positive volume candle. On that 4 hour, we had 371,000 contracts opened, and it started declining. And hopefully we will start seeing that increasing. So that's my levels to trade. Obviously, make sure that if you enter the trade, that you enter on a retrace closer to support. And here you can see bouncing very nicely off this daily support level at $4.90, wicking slightly down to $4.89. Of course, not financial advice, but those are the levels that I'm trading. I've also taken a Bitcoin Cash trade. As you can see, it's kind of on the bottom trend line of this parallel channel. And also I am looking at Unfi. If I've got time today, I will go and post some TA on that. But that's the basic long and short of it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're on YouTube. Give me a like on YouTube. Give me a comment on how you're trading, what you're trading. And I hope you have a successful trading day. And go World Series of Trading. Have a great one. See you soon.